Man, 9 years later, I'm back at elementary school, Glendale. Where you at, Holla? So many memories here, man. So many. Playground I used to play on. Field I used to play kickball in. Gym class, all that stuff. Basketball hoop in the back. Play some lightning there. Four square. I mean, a lot of this stuff is new, but I mean, some of it, like the jungle gym in the back, you probably can't see it, but the swing sets, those are my ish. Of course, I biked here. Yeah, just a good day to chill, relax, good breeze. Everyone's gotta see this because I never seen something like this in the playground before. I mean, X-Weave squared? Well, X-Weave too, but I see it as X-Weave squared, but it also says it's Play Motion. I don't know if that's the brand or anything, but you gotta check this out because I ain't never had anything like this back in the playground, especially at Glendale. Jesus. Oh, you can see it move and stuff. Woo. 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 Gotta be real careful with this one. And I swear that thing is dangerous. Like for a clumsy kid, man, he might just eat. He just might eat the ground, man. Middle school tennis courts. Woo. Back courts suck, but front courts are the places to be. Of course, you had to be good. I wasn't good, but memories, man. First learned how to play tag out to lakefront. Biked all the way from the house to lakefront. Oh, so many memories here though. Park back there. Volleyball court behind me. Used to have picnics here. Whew. And back there would have been a lake. Go there too. Alright.